This video will show you how to block a channel using your channel manager. AxisRooms lets you temporarily or permanently stop sending rates and inventory to specific OTAs whenever needed. Let's see how. So one more important feature of a channel manager is block channel. What exactly is a block channel? The block channel feature allows temporary or permanent suspensions of connectivity between the channel manager and a specific OTAs. When a channel is blocked, the rates and inventory updates from the channel manager will no longer be transmitted to the particular OTAs. As a result, the OTAs will not display availability of pricing information to the particular OTAs. This functionality is useful in various scenarios such as managing rate parity issues, avoiding excessive discounts or promotions, or temporarily pausing OTAs visibilities for certain reasons. So now let's see how to update this block channel or how to block a channel. To block a channel, click on the Manage tab, then click on Inventory Configurations. Once you click on Inventory Configurations, you can see the Block Channel option. Click on Block Channel and a form appears. So this is a block channel update form. To update the channel or to update the block channel, click and select any particular channels. For example, you wish to block booking.com for a certain period of time. Select an OTAs, which OTAs you would like to block, and select the room category. If you wish to block only club room, select on club room. If not, select all the categories. Once you have selected all the categories, pick a start date and pick an end date. So once you have updated this for this particular time, this particular OTAs will not receive any inventory or prices from Channel Manager. So once you have updated, save changes. Once you've saved, you can see if the inventory is blocked for the particular OTAs. To check if it is blocked, click on Show Blocked Channel. You can see the channel is blocked for the particular period. And also the same way, if you would like to unblock the channel, click on Show Block Channel and click on Action, that is Unblock Channel. Click on Unblock. Once you have unblocked, do not miss to push the rates and inventory. And that brings us to the end of this video on how to block a channel using your channel manager.